Do you know that you can attract universal energy using just your thoughts? Do you want to give your life a new direction? Today, let's learn about a highly powerful and divine method, the 369 manifestation technique. It's not just a mental process, it's a soulful conversation between you and the universe. Great scientist Nikola Tesla once said, if you only knew the magnificence of 3, 6, and 9, you would have the key to the universe. Behind these numbers lies a deep spiritual secret. Number 3, power of creation. Number 6, harmony and balance. Number 9, completion and divine connection. These numbers not only appears in mathematics but also resonate within the vibrations of our soul. The 369 manifestation technique is based on the law of attraction, where you write your desire 3 times, repeat it 6 times, and feel it 9 times each day. How to do it? Morning. Write your affirmation 3 times. Example, I am full of confidence. Afternoon. Repeat it 6 times. Night. Feel it 9 times deeply with eyes closed and vivid visualization. This process connects your mind and the energy of the universe. When you repeat an affirmation again and again, your mind begins to accept it as truth. The universe picks up that vibration and starts aligning with it. Our words work like mantras. When thoughts, speech, and emotion are aligned, miracles happen. This technique is under mind trick. It's a soul's calling. Just like the sound of a temple bell awakens the divine, the vibration of 369 awakens the universe. Now let's practice this technique with calmness and devotion. Step 1, Morning Start. Write 3 times. I invite divine energy into my life. My actions are in harmony with the universe. Step 2, Afternoon Energy. Repeat 6 times. Repeat silently or write again. Step 3, Night Meditation. Feel it 9 times. Sit silently. Say the affirmation. Close your eyes and visualize that it has already come true. Each time, feel the divine energy of the universe, as if God Himself is listening to you. Now, repeat these affirmations that strengthen your soul. I am a divine soul connected with the universe. My thoughts are aligned with the truth. Everything I desire is already on its way to me. I trust the universe completely. Every wish of mine is manifesting as a blessing. Many people have witnessed miracles using this technique. Someone got their dream job, someone manifested their own house, and someone even restored a broken relationship. With true faith and consistent practice, you too can attract everything your heart desires. The 369 technique is a key, but it's you who must unlock the door. Practice this daily with patience, devotion, and complete trust in the divine. The universe is ready. You just have to call upon it. Begin today. This is the divine signal you have been waiting for.